Verydarkman has started facing the reality. You know, sometimes when we come out here to speak, some of you will think that we are speaking because we don't like him. You know, according to him, he said that they told him not to post or talk about Papa J for the meantime. And also, he tried to question the reason why NAFDAC has not get back to him concerning his petition against Papa J's spiritual item. Before I give the full analysis, let's listen to him. And also, I will also play some Udene's video before he went to court. Then I will conclude everything.
They've said I cannot say anything about Prophet Jeremiah anymore because the case was so hot for court. Now, NAFDAC, it's been more than 5 days since I came to drop his products for you guys to test. And up till now, I've not gotten any response. By now, I'll be expecting that you people would have dropped a disclaimer because he said that he has a NAFDAC number for his soap. And automatically, if he has for his soap, it should be assumed that he also has for his water. Meanwhile, I brought the water to you guys and there's no NAFDAC. Now, I want you people to do a public disclaimer. That's number one. And number two, I am yet to receive an official report as to the test that you people did from the product that I brought. Do you understand?
The main reason why they told him not to talk about Papa J for the meantime, or to stop posting about him for the meantime, is because he is already cyber stalking Papa J, of which, according to our constitution, cyber stalking is a criminal offense. It's one of the biggest offenses that can land you into Unga. And when you talk about cyber stalking, it has to do with always talking about people, always posting their videos, always posting their pictures, always posting things about them. Like, it will look as if you have a personal problem with that person, of which, judging with all Verydarkman has been posting about Papa J, he is guilty of that according to the law. You know, this is the reason why some of us here, or somebody like him here, will come out to tell him to take it easy, the way he's, you know, trying to prove points, trying to post things about the man, trying to say some certain things, posting back to back. And some people will be gingering him, hyping him that he should carry on. I always knew that that will be one of the things they will use to hold him down. Of which Udene is also guilty of it. You know, I told you guys that when you talk about the law court proceedings, it's not all about what you think. It's not all about posting of videos. They say this one, or they say that one, or this one should be this way, or this one should be that way. We have constitution, and whatever that we play out in whatever that has to do with that proceedings must be judged by our constitution, not by your emotion or what you think or your own personal intelligences. No, that is one of the reasons why Udene failed to escape all this whole thing. Let's listen to Udene before I will come back and conclude the whole story, and also tell you the reason why NAFDAC has not responded to whatever petition he submitted to them against Papa J's spiritual item. Let's listen to them.
Imela Chineke na ndewo onekere ụwa ndewo imela onekere ụwa ndewo imela. What's the petition? Make I read am for una. This office is investigating alleged case of criminal intimidation. Okay, now me dey give una criminal, you go end for court now. Now me the criminal intimidator. Don't worry. Criminal intimidation, cyber stalking, yeah. If they pay money for cyber stalking, I don't know who them stalk on the internet possibly for this Nigeria.
You know, when this Ekperima started this whole thing, the same people that are pushing Verydarkman are the ones pushing him, gingering him. His topic was they do fake miracle, they do this one, they deceive people, they will do this. When we come to court, they will do that one, they will do this one. They were gingering him, pushing him. The guy was in a high spirit, saying some certain things, dropping videos, making comments, making live video back to back. And he never knew when he commit himself. By being guilty of cyber talking and many other things they used to nail him in. Of which, that is one of the things I've been shouting for Verydarkman to be very careful. Sometimes your point might be right and clear, but you on yourself will use your hand to mess yourself up. And when you even talk about religion or what people believed on, the same constitution in Nigeria stated that everybody have freedom of worship, freedom of religion. So you can decide to do whatever you want to do and call it your chi. You can decide to worship whatever you want to worship in a way you want to do it. As far as you believe on it and it's working for you, or maybe you and your family, it's nobody's business. So sometimes you can't come out to, try to push on things that has to do with religious this and religious that, to the extent of trying to, re-underwrite the people that are even practicing the same religion. Meanwhile, you as a person have your own religion, which nobody is even trying to re-underwrite you or how you do things about that your personal belief. He mentioned that the NAFDAC have refused to get back to him or to respond to his petitions against the soap, water and other things. Forgetting that we are still dealing in same that Niger system. Those ones, just maybe, Verydarkman might be right to submit a petition. NAFDAC also have their own right to pass their own judgment. But they can come up tomorrow and, say that they have a lot of cases or items to go through and verify, and they will take it one after the other. That's why they didn't meet up to look into his own case. They can say some certain things of which you as a person, your own is to submit your petition and submit your product for them to look into. Their own is to do it whenever they have the chance to do it. Like you can present an item to them to check and give you results, and you are telling them that you read it now. It's not done anyway. That is the reason why from day one I've been shouting for him to be more careful. As I did like this, I don't need anybody to give me information about the system we practice in Nigeria, especially our judiciary, or what that has to do with government. As I did like this, I can easily predict whatever outcome of anything that has to do with those organizations. So whether you guys like it or not, Verydarkman has already committed himself in one of the things Papa J's legal team will use against him. Say if they talk all these things, some people will not want to admit the truth. Their own is to ginger, push, carry on, do this, that one, forgetting the implication. And to make it worse, whenever that person fall into trouble, they will leave the person, they will abandon the person and move to another person. They did it to many people. I don't want to be repeating my videos. So Verydarkman, like I said, you need to be more careful going forward. I keep on saying it, because if not, you will be the one that will learn, and you will learn in a hard way.